Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm answering top 10 questions I get daily on Instagram, especially from mothers, freshers, and manual testers who are trying to enter automation or Python roles. So let's get started. The first and most asked question: what is my education, domain, and experience? Let me clearly explain. I have done computer science engineering and I am a Python automation engineer with 7 years of experience. Then comes what are my skills? So here is the answer. My core skills are Python, robot framework, Selenium library, API testing basics, Postman, SQL, GitHub, manual testing concepts, plus networking and automation experience. I didn't learn all this in my interview process. It happened slowly over years, one skill at a time. So don't rush. Pick one skill, learn it properly, then move to the next. The third question is where do I apply for jobs? So I apply only through three platforms. One is Naukri, LinkedIn, and Shine. For QA and automation roles, those three are more than enough. Instead of 10 job portals, focus on updating your CV, adding keywords, and applying consistently. Even 10 to 15 targeted applications daily are enough if your CV matches the role. In my case, if I get 10 calls, out of which 8 calls are from Naukri only, I don't know what's the problem with LinkedIn and Shine, but out of 10, 8 will be from Naukri, 1 will be from LinkedIn, and 1 will be from Shine.com. Then the fourth question is how do you attend interviews when your baby is awake? A lot of mothers ask me this. First thing, I never ask recruiters to change timings. Whatever slot they give, I accept it. Second, I plan ahead. I inform my mom earlier, and during the interview, she handles the baby completely. Fifth question is about my preparation notes. Many people asked me, can you share your preparation notes? Honestly, my handwritten notes are very messy and not useful for others. But I did something else. I created a small ebook with 21 Python coding questions. These are exactly the question I personally got in real interviews. After every interview, I used to write down these questions in a document, and before the next interview, I practiced the same questions again. This method helped me improve the logic and confidence. It might or might not help everyone, every journey is different, but if you still want it, the link is in the description. And one more thing to specify, my handwritten notes, they are not organized. They doesn't have topics like okay, I am writing Python codes in an organized way, Python topics in an organized way, then comes robot framework, I'm writing robot framework in an organized way, and all the questions that comes in the interview. It's not like that. So when I attend the interview, the interviewer might ask me anything that are related to my skills. It might come from any topic, either from Python, robot framework, Selenium, API testing, Postman, and so on. So, if I was not able to answer any of those questions, I will write those questions in my notes and I will read it before attending the next interview. That's why I was not able to share the handwritten notes. The sixth question is where to learn Python from scratch. If you are a complete beginner, especially freshers and manual testers, start with W3 School's Python. It's very simple, beginner friendly, and short. You don't need to spend months watching long tutorials. Learn the basics variables, loops, conditions, functions, lists, and then start practicing. I don't watch long courses now, I just practice daily. The seventh question is where do I practice Python coding? Since I have experience in Python for 4 long years, I don't go learn it from W3 schools or something. I directly use programmers for all my Python program practice. It has a clean online compiler, no setup, just open and code. Even if you have only 10 minutes a day, you can practice one simple logic and keep improving every day. Eighth question is where do I practice my API testing? So I have downloaded the Postman app and practice with it. So I use simple get post APIs. Actually, I don't have experience in API testing. I am learning it because the market is demanding. You don't need to complicate APIs in the beginning. Just learn how to send requests, check responses, headers, status codes. That's enough to understand the basics. And the ninth question is, where do I practice my robot framework, Selenium library, and web UI testing? This is something I learned practically. I pick real websites like booking.com or Make My Trip, write automation scripts in a notepad and execute them because real sites have dynamic elements, drop downs, date pickers, search bars. So you learn real challenges, not just theory. Even beginner scripts teach you a lot. The last and final question is, where do I practice my SQL queries? I practice my SQL queries on multiple platforms. One of them is an online SQL editor where you can write, execute, and test queries instantly. I have added the link to the website in the description. You can open it and start practicing directly in your browser without installing anything. So, right now I'm done with these 10 questions. If you have more questions, comment below. I will answer them in my next video. And if you want to practice Python interview question, the ebook link is in description. Download it if you want. Thank you for watching the video and all the best for your learning and job search.